Texas Smoked Twinkies. Whoever came up with these, I thank you. Today we're gonna make these. It's an awesome recipe. I'm going to show you the process, and I will give you some tips on how to clean them and stuff them. Okay, so we got 500 grams of cream cheese and a little tinfoil dish that I made up to hold it. We got 30 jalapeno peppers, and we have the smoker on 220. We're going to smoke this for 2 hours, and we're going to do these for around 20 minutes. We're going to do these for 20 minutes, get a little smoke on it, it softens them up, and it makes it easier to cut and clean. So let's put them in the smoker. All right, it's been 20 minutes since the jalapeno's been in the smoker and the cream cheese, so it's time to take out the jalapenos. I'm sure they're soft enough to cut. We're gonna take them out and we're gonna let them cool until the cream cheese is ready. So let's take a look at them. They're doing up nice, and the cream cheese is churned a little bit dark. I still got another hour and a half to go. Let's take them out. To clean it, make a cut straight down, one across. And then you're going to take a small spoon. You're going to break the veins free from the top. And then you can just take them, grab them with your fingers, and remove them like that. And most of the seeds and stuff comes out. If there's a few left, if you wanted to rinse that, you could. Now they're ready to be stuffed. So everything's ready to mix up. We got the jalapenos, we got our spices and cheese, we got our cream cheese. And we have, this is actually Wagyu brisket. I got this from Costco. I got a triple grade A and a Wagyu just to do a test to see which one's better. I did a video and it was pretty interesting if you want to check it out. Anyway, let's start with, I'm going to cut the, well, first we're going to throw the cream cheese in the bowl. Rid of that. And then we're going to take a knife. The brisket's good to warm up in the microwave just so we can chop it up a bit. Okay, so we got the brisket broken up really fine. Put that in with the cream cheese. We're going to take the cheese. And then we'll take the garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and Old Bay spice. Now what you're going to do is you're going to mix it up really well. Okay, so we have that mixed up very well. So after you have them cut and cleaned, you're going to take your mixture and you're going to put a spoonful in and push it up to the top. Take another spoonful, put it at the bottom, and you're just gonna fill it. Get it in there. What you can do is you squeeze it. If there's a little excess, just take that off. Now it's ready for baking. I find you want nice, almost a cheap bacon, because it's really flimsy. If it's thick or stiff, it's harder to wrap the jalapenos. With the thin stuff that's flimsy, it just seems to wrap better and stick. So overlap the one piece of bacon because it usually takes two. And you just put your bacon down over that. Start rolling. Give it a little squeeze, put it all together. We're going to set that on a tray, and then after they're all done, we're going to put them back in the fridge for a couple hours, and it will firm them up. So we got the Texas Twinkies all wrapped up and ready to go in the fridge and set up for a while. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dust them with the mixture I made up. I'll put a list of the ingredients up for you to know what's in it. It's basically brown sugar and spice mixture. The sweetness just helps with the spiciness of the jalapenos, and I just give these a good coating, turn them over, and do the same on the other side. So we'll put these in the fridge for a few hours, and then when we take them back out, I usually take them, give them a little squeeze, and I'll give them another nice dusting of the brown sugar spice, and then put them in the smoker. They're ready to go. They're set up. The spices are all over them. We've got the smoker on 275. We're gonna put them in probably about 2 hours. We're really gonna assess the bacon. You're gonna get the bacon nice and crispy. Then you're gonna take them out. So it's not really time. It's when the bacon's done. Look at the size of that. That's a meal. So they've been in there an hour and a half. They're definitely looking good, but they need about another, I'd say 45 minutes or so to go. I'm gonna switch the racks around a bit and get them matured so they do evenly. So they've been on for 2.5 hours. The last hour I cranked them up to 300, and they're definitely done, looking good and tasty. So let's take them out. So they're out, ready to cool down, probably about a good half hour, and then we'll give them a try. So we have a big one and a small one. Be great for Halloween, kind of looks like a mouse. Let's cut them open and check them out. Let's check the big one. Oh, nice. Look at the filling. Beautiful. It's nice. So if you made it this far, hit the subscribe button, smash the like, and I'm going to give this a try. Very good, delicious. Awesome. See you next time.